Hello everyone, welcome to Helpful channel. Hope you all are doing good. It is requested to please subscribe my channel. Today we are going to clean the sewer lines by doing the sewer diving. The sewer diver wearing a full face mask, entering into the manhole by using the rope. Now they are going to clean the manhole and going to desilt the sewer line, waste materials and other things which are at the bottom of the manhole and creating problems in a smooth flow of sewer lines. By going inside the manhole, they use this bucket and fill this bucket with the solid waste, and the persons standing right at the top pull it back. This pipe is connected with the full face mask, which is used to take breath in fresh air. There are huge gases, toxic gases, and dangerous gases inside the manhole, which cause suffocation and can lead to death within no time, like sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, and some burning gases like methane, which are, I mean, these kind of gases are inside these kind of manholes. So the sewer divers are wearing a mask so they can take breath in fresh air and not going to inhale that gases which are inside the manhole. Many lives has already been spoiled while doing this risky and dangerous business. It happens when you are not wearing safety gadgets. Gas mask and face mask is one of the most important gadget for doing the sewer diving. There is a huge quantity of floating materials, plastic, inside the manhole, and they are still removing it. And the main solid waste removal of main solid waste will start after that. This pipe which is connected with the mask, it's also used for hearing the sewer diver. You can see that the person is hearing the sewer diver and trying to listen what he is saying from inside. There are three number of teams working right now. It's a morning time. We have started about after the 5 a.m. in morning. The main sewer lines in these kind of areas can only be desilted in morning time, because as the time passes, the level of sewage started come up and in high level, and sewer diver cannot go inside and desilt these manholes. This kind of waste removed from manhole, which is done to improve the flow of sewage. Now they are going to pull the sewer diver outside.
ठीक है ठीक है
That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching.